Hi everybody, Jeff Yasteen here. I want to talk to you today about a stock buying strategy that I consider the best kept secret on Wall Street. So you can buy the regular shares of a company stock, or you can upgrade, if you will, to owning the same company's Q shares. That's what I call them. Now, I'm always surprised how few people know about this, especially anyone who's serious about building a larger retirement nest egg. Over short periods of time, say a handful of years, Q shares could amount to a very nice kicker over your initial or original investment without you adding a single extra penny of your own funds. Over longer periods, though, this strategy really shines. And in my book, that's very important. We're all living longer these days. Our retirement funds have to go further as well. So in my book, that's very important because we should be making a strategy like Q shares help make the future work for us instead of against us. So with that in mind, going into the other end of the spectrum here with millennials, I love how so many millennials have now embraced what's called the FIRE movement. FIRE stands for financially independent, retire early. The main idea is to save and invest in large amounts, of course, but also to avoid debt or to pay down the debt that you already have. Yet among the many FIRE bloggers out there, I see few mentions of Q shares as a way to turbocharge your long-term investment returns. For example, if you put just $500 into the paint maker Sherwin-Williams 20 years ago, your $500 would now have grown into a great return of more than $14,000 today. But if one had upgraded to Q shares upon that initial purchase, the return would be nearly 30% larger, or more than $18,000. Now, that's an additional 30% in returns that you didn't have to work for and that you didn't have to add extra funds out of your own pocket. So what exactly are Q shares? Well, I'm not ready to explain it all just yet. I'm going to lay out the entire strategy in a special announcement this Thursday, February 6th. So please look for it here or in your email. But as far as I'm concerned, it is a premier way to build small amounts of money into much larger amounts without taking on too much additional risk, and it is a great way to build superior long-term investment returns. If you like what I'm talking about here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to follow us on social media. I'm Jeff Yasteen, wishing you the best of goodbyes.